Ukraine News on UN1. Crimea's minority Muslim Tatar population is facing increasing violence and discrimination, according to a new Amnesty International report. In a statement, the organization's Europe and Central Asia Program Director, John Dalhousie, accuses Russian authorities of harassing Tatar leaders, threatening to dissolve the highest Tatar representative body, the Mejlis, and of restricting Tatars' rights to freedom of assembly and expression. He added that those who stay to live under Russian rule face the inevitable choice of giving up their Ukrainian citizenship or becoming foreigners in their homeland. Amnesty's findings strongly correlate with reports on the ground, despite Russian President Vladimir Putin's assurance he would make Tatars feel like fully-fledged masters in their own land. For example, on May the 16th, Crimea's illegitimate authorities banned all mass rallies on the peninsula, justifying the move by saying they wanted to eliminate provocations by extremists and prevent disruption to the holiday season. Yet the order was widely interpreted as a blatant act of repression against thousands of Tatars who plan to commemorate 70 years since Stalin deported their entire 200,000-strong community to Central Asia, around half of who died on the journey. Those Tatars who defied the bill found themselves surrounded by armed police and helicopters during a peaceful gathering on May the 17th. In another case, the Tatars' spiritual leader, Mustafa Zhemilev, was banned from Crimea on April the 22nd. No official reason was ever given. However, days before, Crimea's self-styled Prime Minister, Sergei Aksanov, accused Zhemilev of ethnic violence and of being a provocateur. These claims, though, have never been proved. The peninsula's courts have also threatened to close down the Tatars' representative body, the Mejlis, if it engages in extremist activities. If banned, members could risk 4 years in jail under Russia's anti-extremism laws. Armed self-defense men, often without insignia, are said to have been behind a number of abductions, beatings and other human rights abuses against Tatars. Most of Crimea's Tatars, who make up 12% of the region's population, boycotted the Kremlin-organized sham annexation referendum on March the 16th, used by authorities to justify Russia's invasion and occupation of Ukrainian territory. The group's Mejlis assembly estimates about 5,000 Tatars, fearing harassment and discrimination, have fled in recent months.